Workplace wellness isn't just about avoiding illness. It's about encouraging health every day. Health promotion is about creating a workplace that supports good habits, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Nutritious food options and quick tips on eating well can make a big difference in daily energy and focus. Movement matters. Wellness programs can encourage employees to take active breaks, stretch, and keep moving throughout the day. Wellness isn't just physical. Providing tools for mental and emotional balance supports better focus and less burnout. Preventive care, like screenings and health checkups, catches issues early and keeps employees in control of their health. Sometimes it's the small reminders that help us build big habits. Drink water, take breaks, get sleep. Making wellness part of the culture, from themed months to peer encouragement, helps it stick. When employees feel supported in their health, morale goes up, and so does engagement and productivity. Healthy workplaces aren't just safer, they're happier, more connected, and more sustainable over time. Learn more about workplace wellness. Visit medcor.com.